Let us look at this question. Here we have a square, the side of this is given 60, the length of this rectangle is given 80, and the question asks us which has greater area if they have the same perimeter. Now, the perimeter of a square can be found by using the formula 4 into side. So, perimeter we are finding 4 into side. So, 4 multiplied by 60 is going to give us 240 meters. So, this when we add all the sides we get 240 meters, which means that the perimeter of the rectangle will also be 240. So, if the perimeter of the rectangle is 240, we have to first find out the breadth. So, how do we find the breadth? We know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B. So, perimeter of the square is 240. So, perimeter of the rectangle will also be 240 is equal to 2 bracket, the length is given as 80, the breadth is unknown. Now, we will open the brackets, this will become 240 equal to 160 plus 2b. Now, we are going to transfer this 160 the left side, and when we transfer it this becomes negative. So, 240 minus 160 is equal to 2b. 240 minus 160 we are going to get 80. So, the value of b will be 80 upon 2. So, 80 upon 2 we get the value of b as 40. So, the breadth is 40. Now, once we get the breadth of this, we are in a position to find out the area of this. Now, area of the square is side square. So, what we can do is apply the formula there. So, area of the square will be side square. So, that means side is 60. So, square of 60 will be 60 into 60. So, we get 3600 meter square. And if we look at the rectangle, we have got the length and we have got the breadth. So, we are going to multiply length and breadth. So, area of the rectangle will be L into B. So, L into B means this will be 80 multiplied by 40. So, area will be 3200 meter square. So, we have found out the area of the square separately 3600 meter square, and area of the rectangle we have found 3200. We find that area of the square is more, and how much more? We are going to subtract these two. So, 3600 minus 3200 we get 400 meter square. So, we can say area of the square is more than area of rectangle by 400 meter square.